yesterday in our class we saw that when it is 15 centimeters, how many inches is it? I'm just going to unmute everyone. When it is 15 centimeters, how many inches is it?
6 inches.
6 inches, correct. When it is 30 centimeters, how many inches is it?
12.
I'll repeat myself. When it is 15 centimeters, how many inches is it?
6.
6. When it is 30 centimeters, how many inches is it?
12. 12.
Now, inches. 15 centimeters and 6 inches. कौन सा बड़ा है?
What? 15 centimeters equal to 6 inches.
Both are same.
Same are correct.
Yeah.
प्रणव, दोनों सेम है? 15 centimeters and 6 inches. Both are same?
15 centimeters.
Ma'am, both are same because 15 centimeters equals 6 inches, 6 inches equals 15
Yes,
centimeters.
ma'am.
Yeah, पक्का? Tanishka, both are same?
Yeah.
Why? Explain to me why both are same. Leave those. Listen, Tanishka. No playing with the scales right now. Pay attention and listen carefully. Okay? Explain to me why 15 centimeters and 6 inches are the same. Why is it same?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, let's give Tanishka a chance. Tanishka, you have to explain to me why 15 centimeters and 6 inches. ये दोनों same क्यों है? 15 centimeters, 15 है उसमें. 6 inches, 6 है इसमें. दोनों same कैसे हुए? Pranav, can you explain?
What?
Why is 15 centimeters and 6 inches the same? ये दोनों same क्यों है? Vihan, can you explain why are these two same? How come 15
Because
centimeters?
50 centimeters equal to 6 inches.
Why is it equal? How come it is equal? That is 15, this is 6. How is it equal?
They're the same.
Why are they the same?
I don't know.
One is 15 and one is 6. How come they are same? How much is this? ये कितना है?
5.
ये कितना है?
2.
ये कितना है?
2.
ये कितना है?
5.
ये दोनों सेम है?
3.
तो 15 and 6 ये दोनों सेम कैसे हुए? Yes, Ranveer, you said you want to answer. 15 centimeters and 6 inches. Why are they the same?
Ma'am, because 15 centimeters equals 6 inches and 6 inches equals 15 centimeters. Why? Because that is how the math and measurement work.
Measurement. Did you say the word measurement?
Yes.
Did you say the word measurement? Measurement
Yes.
means what, Pranav?
Measuring the something book.
Measuring anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Measuring anything is measurement. Correct? It can be checking the measure of this bottle height.
What?
Huh? It can be checking the weight of this bottle. ये कितना भारी है? पता नहीं. Right? Checking the measure of the pencil. Yeah? Or checking the measurement of this pen. Of the book. So, measurement means checking the measure of anything. Okay? Not specifically a bottle or a book or a pen. It can mean measuring anything. Okay? Now listen to me carefully. If it is about measurement, then can you all now explain to me why is 15 centimeters equal to 6 inches?
Ma'am, because 15 centimeters equals 6 inches.
Array, I know that. All of us know that. I am asking why.
Because that's how mathematics work.
That's how mathematics works. Oh, what is the meaning of that's how it works?
Because of length and breadth.
Because of length and breadth. Okay. There is one particular word that we have to use for it. Okay. First of all, 15 centimeters. Okay. Centimeter is 1 unit of measurement. Okay. एक तरीके का measurement है. 6 inches is another unit of measurement. दूसरा तरीके का measurement है.
Oh no.
Okay. है तो दोनों का डिस्टेंस सेम. ये दोनों का डिस्टेंस सेम ही है. यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर है और यहाँ पे इंचेस है. दोनों का डिस्टेंस सेम ही है कि नहीं? But the unit of measuring it is different. And what is the difference? One is in centimeter, one is in inches. I was only waiting to hear that word unit from you. Okay? The unit of measurement is different. Now, yesterday, you all measured your table. Did somebody call out my name? Somebody has some question? No. Yesterday, you all measured your table, right? Everybody in the class measured it in centimeters. Later, you had to measure it in inches. Did you do that? Inches में measure किया क्या?
Ma'am, can we measure it now only in the class?
Okay, fine. Go ahead. Go ahead, measure it in inches. I'll give you 5 minutes to measure it in inches. Take your scale, उसी table के length and breadth को inches में measure करो. Come on, Vihan, get up.
I already did that.
You already did. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I already have your assignment with me. Super Vihan. This is Super Vihan. Now, 1 minute. Let me pull up your information. Yes, Ranveer?
Ma'am, 30 centimeters equals 12 inches, no?
The scale is in your hand. You find it.
Oh,
Centimeter is 12 inches or no? You have the answer.
Mommy!
Find it out from your hand.
I want to go home.
So I have Vihan's measurement with me.
Ma'am, 30 centimeters equals 30 inches. 13 inches. One.
Check it up again. Remember, the first line is 0, huh? The first line is not 1.
Ma'am, it's 12.
See, this is simple logic. 15 into 2 is 30, correct? So 6 into 2 will be 12, no? And if both of them are on the scale, you have to use the same parameter to multiply or add, right? Come on, I'm waiting for y'all to get it in inches. Notebook, Vihan's is length is 24 centimeters and it says 10 inches. Okay. Breadth is 17.8 centimeters and it says 84 inches. 8.4 inches, sorry. Phone is 14.6 centimeters and it says 5.8 inches. Breadth is 5.4 centimeters and it says 2.8 inches. Length is 10 centimeters and it says 36 inches. Or is it 3.6? I think you've forgotten to put a dot there. 24 inches. 60 centimeters, 24 inches. Okay. Okay.
I'm waiting for ma'am. No, that's Seema ma'am to join.
क्या हुआ विहान?
Where was Seema ma'am? कहाँ?
She has some time. She has another 20 minutes for her to arrive.
And maybe we can take a break.
Go. So you get bonus break because you already finished the assignment and sent. See, Vihan, you're the only one doing it. Everybody else is sleeping in their houses.
Ma'am, I finished 10.5 inches. My length 59.5 inches.
Your length or the length of the table?
The length of the table.
Okay. Yes, Tanishka, tell me. Pranav, have you got your measurements?
Ma'am, half inch.
Yeah. Kitna
Ma'am,
inch? 7 Yes, Tanishka, keep it there. Keep it there. I'm reading it. Keep it. Just stay there. I'm reading it. Fine. Don't move. Don't move. Thoda. Ha. Just hold it like that, Tanishka. Just hold it like that. तनिष्का, तुमने सिर्फ ब्रेथ को कन्वर्ट किया इंच में, लेंथ को कौन करेगा?
Okay, ma'am.
खाली टी शर्ट पहन के घूमेंगे क्या? पैंट भी तो पहनना पड़ेगा ना? चलो,
Yes, ma'am.
go fast. Measurement फटाफट and come.
Ma'am, it is of length only. I will do not breath.
Okay, fine. Oh yeah, correct. चलो उठो, घूमो, थोड़ा सा मेजरमेंट्स करके आओ फटाफट.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, 24. Wait.
Write it down in your book. Next to the measurements of centimeter, write it down in your book, the measurement in inches as well. Yesterday, you've already done the measurement in centimeter. Just have to do the measurement in inches now. Tera, 14 and everything in Hindi class. Maths class में 13, 14. होगा क्या? थोड़ा जल्दी.
कितनी होती? 9 कितनी होती मम्मी? 23.
Kanishka, mummy is helping you. Take a scale, go अपने से. Scale उठा और अपने से जाओ. मम्मी grade 6 में नहीं है, तुम हो. चलो. Pranav, have you got your measurements, Baba?
I'm off table.
Okay, do it. क्यों नहीं किया तुम लोगों ने कल ये assignment? ये कल करके लाना था ना, all of you?
मैंने किया था पर गलत था थोड़ा. Ma'am, also I think so that it is 25 means 25 centimeter means 1 inch.
25 centimeter is 1 inch. What did you say?
Yeah, ma'am. Line kuda marli. Tana?
Ma'am, I wrote it.
Tina ite marli.
Okay. Okay. Keep it. Keep it with you. Keep it with you. Okay, sure. Bring it closer. I cannot see what you have written. I'm only seeing blank page. थोड़ा ऊपर दो हाँ हाँ hold it there, hold it there. Keep it. Okay, ये तुम्हारा असली प्रॉपर वाला मेजरमेंट है.
Yes.
ये तुमने स्केल से मेजर किया है?
हाँ.
पक्का? ठीक है.
मैम अगर मैं असली वाला नहीं करता ना तो फिर ये ऐसे आता 24 बस आता 24.1 नहीं आता.
ओके. सुभान, तुम हो कि नहीं क्लास में बेटा?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
सुभान, तुम क्लास में हो भी कि नहीं? Subhan, are you there in class or no?
I'm just starting to go for bye.
हुए कि नहीं?
Ma'am, can I take a break?
2 minutes. Have you all done centimeters and inches का measurement?
Ma'am, it is not getting.
What is not happening?
Ma'am, my scales, this colors has gone.
You have a geometry box in which you have another scale.
No, ma'am, it is broken.
Do you have a measuring
Tomorrow.
Do you have a measuring tape at home?
Measuring tape. Ma'am, of that tailor. Yeah.
You have that?
Yes.
Then take that. उसमें भी तो centimeter और inches है.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
You're done? Okay, show it to me.
Yeah, I'm excited to show you. What's the homework?
थोड़ा पीछे लेके जाओ, थोड़ा पीछे लेके जाओ. Tanishka, just hold it in one place, take a little behind. हाँ.
Ma'am, what's the homework?
Arey Vihan, these people have not even reached homework. These people have not done only their assignments. You are the only smartest fellow in class. The others have not even done the assignment. Okay, Tanishka, keep it with you. Okay, everybody done?
Yeah, it is correct.
We'll find out. Don't worry. अभी तो हमको measurement बहुत दिन तक पढ़ना है. We will find out whether it is correct or not. Because if we don't clear the concept here, आगे का measurement conversion समझ में नहीं आएगा. So first, let's finish it with inches and centimeters. Okay? Everybody has written your inches and centimeters?
I have showed you.
Pranav, done?
I'm doing. It's not in our class.
Who?
Subhan.
Subhan. I don't know. Subhan has terrible network. So
Yeah.
But we
anytime
We can't do
his
anything
screen is
about
frozen
that.
and we can't just see what he's doing. I think
okay,
Subhan so gaya.
Now we can't do anything about that.
ma'am, but I think so Wi-Fi is good than internet.
Ma'am,
But it works in
I wanted to tell I've never drawn a dragon before ever like that.
Nice. So you enjoyed drawing the dragon, huh? Good.
Yes. But while I was drawing it, I was like, oh my god, this is going to look epic. And
Epic.
I made it look epic.
Good.
Can I go for washroom?
Yes.
Thank you.
Pranav, jaldi baba. Let's finish this topic today. Aa jao. Pranav, I'm waiting only for you. Ha. Done? Measurements done?
2 minutes.
Okay.
In 2 minutes.
Okay.
Only one.
Vihan, I think you can go for a walk and come. Everybody else is relaxing. Vihan, go for a
Ma'am,
walk.
can I also?
No, come for walk.
Do one thing. Ranveer, Vihan, both of you go for a walk. Hold hands and go for a walk. Keep social distancing and go for a
I'm
walk.
finished. I'm finished.
Vihan.
I am done.
Oh no.
Done.
Done? Okay. All right. So, Pranav, what is the length of your table in centimeters?
72 centimeter.
72 centimeters, right? And how much is it in inches?
Ma'am, I have not done like that. Ma'am, I have written both. I can say.
Okay. Tanishka, tell me your table. How much is it in centimeters and how much is the length in inches?
Ma'am, my length is 90 centimeter and my length inch is in 35.5 inch.
35.5 you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Pranav,
And
you have a
my breadth is 59 centimeter and inch is 23 point.
Tanishka, wait. Tanishka, wait. Pranav, you have a measuring tape. Can you confirm to me if 90 centimeters is equal to 35.5 inches? Pranav? Pranav, can you confirm to me if 90 centimeters in your measuring tape is 35.5 inches?
I was gonna measure 55 inches.
Pranav, are you there?
Ma'am, I came back.
You came back. Oh, okay. Thank you for coming back. Vihan, have you come back? Vihan, have you come back?
Yes, ma'am is here.
Yes, you are eagerly waiting for Seema ma'am. She is here. Let us quickly finish this and then you can go on to Seema ma'am's class.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you tell her to switch on the?
She will. When the time is up, she will do that. Okay. You all look at your scale. All of you look at your scale closely. You see the start of this measuring where it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Yes.
At the
It is
base also you
written
have 0, 1.
centimeter.
On the base also you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 inches.
Yes.
Now look closely at this scale and tell me 1 inch is how many centimeters?
Ma'am, what?
Ma'am, sorry, please repeat.
Look at the scale and tell me 1 inch. 1 inch is up to here. Is how many centimeters?
One,
1 inch is how many centimeters? 1 इंच इतना बड़ा है और 1 सेंटीमीटर इतना बड़ा है.
2.5.
हाँ?
2.5. 2.5.
Good job. So Vihan Saxena, how much is 1 inch? How many centimeters?
2.5 centimeter.
2.5. Okay. Ranveer, how much? Check it on your scale and then tell me.
2.5.
Pakka it is 2.5 centimeters?
Yes.
Yes,
Pranav,
2.5.
on your measuring tape, how much is 1 inch? How many centimeters is 1 inch?
Wait,
Ah, waiting.
it is not there.
Wait.
See.
See on the reverse?
Not.
It has measurement on both the sides?
No.
Okay, Pranav, is there any chance you can get a scale from somewhere? Okay?
Yes.
Not today. Ask your parents if they can step out and get one scale for you from somewhere. Try and get the plastic scale, the big one. Okay? The
Big.
one with is it 12 centimeters or 12 inches? How big is that one big scale? कितना बड़ा है उसका inches?
30 centimeters.
30 centimeters.
And how many inches?
12.
Pakka? Sure? By now you remember that? Good, very good. Okay? So from tomorrow, I want all of you to carry either a small scale or one big scale to the class every day until we complete this chapter of measurements. Okay?
Yes.
Until we complete the chapter of measurements, having a scale measurement will be good. If you have a measuring tape which has centimeter and inches on it, then good, don't have to go out and buy anything. If you don't, then please buy one scale which will have centimeters and inches on it. Okay? All right? Seema ma'am disconnect ho gayi. Oh, wait a second. She'll come back. Okay? So today, we all agree that 1 is 2.5 centimeters, correct?
Yes.
Correct? In tomorrow's math class, we are going to find out how much is 10 inches. How many centimeters is 10 inches? And we are going to find that out without the scale. Okay? You can check it in the scale and find out, but still, I will also show you tomorrow how to find it out without a scale. I know everyone's already measuring it.
Ma'am, 25.5.
Pakka?
Yes.
So 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters. So 10 inches is 25.5 centimeters.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I don't know whether it is correct or wrong. We will find it out tomorrow in our math class. Okay?
20.
Okay? Agreed, Vihan? Tomorrow one big scale. Okay? Pranav, Tanishka, Subhan, Ranveer, everybody. Tomorrow one big scale in the class. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And the scale is for?
Inches.
Math class.
9 centimeters.
Scale is for measuring. Yo, what? Inches and centimeters. Scale is for measuring.
Yes.
And centimeters, inches, millimeters, what are they? They are called dash of measurement.
Units.
Thank you. Quickly take a water break. Seema ma'am is there in your class. And I will say bye-bye for today. Mwah.
Oh. Bye. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Bitu. Rehan, how are you?
Oh, Raja.
Hello, ma'am.
आपका कैमरा
हेलो बेटा।
सर को दिखाई दे रहा है, आपका फेस नहीं दिख रहा. हाँ, अब वाह 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 वाह. Everybody say वाह वाह.
Hello, Ranveer.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Rehan.